Hi mga bakasyonistas! Welcome to the municipality of Bolhoon, Cebu. Behind me is the structure built in 1940. This is called the Escuela Católica. This building right behind my back served as a dorm for children who were about to take their first communion before. And this also served as a school. There are a lot of events and school teachings that were held way back. This is about 81 years old now. So it's still intact and it's very nice. Come check this out. Dito di ayo tabi-tabi. So mo ni siya nag-serve ni siya as eskwelahan, as mga religious events such as kung if mag-take o like manaay mga teachings before. So mo na siya. As you can see, there are ornate cravings right here. Makita nimo, this is such an elegant house before, a very classic design as well. So, ayo, tawi-tawi, dali lang mo. Tara! Kakasyanisa, it's weekend and we are visiting the hometown of my mama here in Bolhoon because naami aside sa kuan init kaayo, promise. Peaceful kay dere. As you can see, bata pa ko no, I've been watching the Ellis Rock kana, then karon napahak na siya. I've been really visiting Bolhoon since then. And behind me is the Nuestra Señora del Patrocinio de Maria Parish Church, or the Our Lady of Patronage of Mary Parish Church, located in Poblacion, Bolhoon, Cebu. This church is considered as a UNESCO heritage because of its Baroque, as part of a Baroque churches in the Philippines. So, tara, atong libuton, nice kayo. Actually, Bolhoon is the hometown of my mama Luisa, so Bolhoon is very close to our hearts. That's why we're here. We're visiting the hometown of mama as well. So, come. I have decided to go inside the church, and the main entrance is at the right side. Upon entering, there were two volunteers who greeted and explained to me what is the Holy Door about.
Patrocinio de Maria Parish. This church is the one of 13 churches na naay Holy Door or nag-opeg Holy Door. So, opinion ng Holy Door matag 25 years katuig.
Oh, okay.
And for naay special occasion, we have two major events, which is 500 years of Christianity and Jubilee. Giisip usa ka ritual na nga sukad 15th century di
ari mo agi ang mga pilgrims to claim or makagain sila sa plenary indulgence. So unsa di ay ang plenary indulgence? So ang plenary indulgence is the total remission of temporal sins. So magain na nato siya by, there are many ways para magain nato siya, pero para makagain gid ka murag whole bunch of indulgence mo na nga moagi ka sa Holy Door. So ako i-explain ma'am ang tablets nato sa atong Holy Door. Ang first two tablets, makita nato din na ang very beginning of everything, and that's when Adam and Eve were banished from the Garden of Eden. On the third and fourth tablet, makita nato din ha ang annunciation of the Archangel Gabriel to the Blessed Virgin Mary. Muna ito nga nabawan niya nga she will be getting pregnant and the child will be Jesus. On the third tab, next tablet nato, makita nato din ha si Jesus nga nagpabaptize siya og water ni Saint John the Baptist dito sa Jordan River. Dinhi sa next slide, makita sad nato din ha ang parable of the lost sheep, which signifies us, the children of God, being the lost sheep, and the good shepherd as God the Father, who will always welcome us anytime nga we feel lost. So the next tablet, makita nato din ha si Jesus healing a crippled man. By simply forgiving his sins, the crippled man was able to walk again. Sa next tablet, makita nato din ha ang story of the prodigal son. Muna ang katong mausikon nga anak, nibalik siya sa iyang papa asking for forgiveness, and his father welcomed him in open and loving arms and even threw a feast for him. So the next tablet, makita nato din ha si Mary Magdalene, and she's washing the feet of Jesus. It's her own way of asking for forgiveness, and immediately after, Jesus forgave her and said that her many sins are forgiven. So the next tablet, makita sad nato din si Saint Peter. Nangutana siya ni Jesus how many times yun ta dapat pasaylo sa usag-usa. And Jesus said 70 times 7, which should not be taken literally since Jesus most of the time uses figures of speech, which basically means nga, as long as we can, as much as we can, we must forgive each other. On the next tablet, makita nato din si Saint Peter na naghilak that is because he denied Jesus 3 times in the house of Caiaphas. Sa next tablet, makita nato din ang crucifixion. Jesus was, as what we all know, was laid in the cross together with 2 thieves. However, ang isa ka thief was very apologetic, and he knew he deserved his punishment, and he was sorry for that and asked Jesus for his forgiveness. And Jesus said that on that very hour, he will be coming with him to paradise. On the next tablet, pakita nato din na after the resurrection, Saint Thomas carefully inspected Jesus' wounds, since as what we all know, Saint Thomas is kind of medyo dili kayo in denial siya sa iyong belief. So on the next tablet, makita nato din one Holy Thursday night, Jesus gave the gift of the Holy Spirit to his apostles. On the next tablet, makita nato si Jesus appearing before Saint Paul. Saint Paul was formerly known as Saul, and he was the persecutor of many Christian believers. However, despite of that, Jesus was still able to use him as an instrument to guide and draw more people towards God. Sa last tablet, makita nato din ang Holy Father knocking on the holy door. Mabasa sad ni nato siya sa Revelations. So, generally, ang message sa Holy Door can be summed up into 3 words: redemption, forgiveness, and salvation. Ang pinaka-importante nga message sa ato ang Holy Door is that Jesus is the door. Jesus is the way for us to reconcile with the Father, because He Himself said that He is the way. So, pinaagi ana nga moagi ta sa Holy Door, makagain ta og plenary indulgence. And kana nga plenary indulgence is munay makatabang nato to regain the favors of heaven again. And para mato nang mahimo, naatay dapat pud sundon nga mga acts such as paghimog mga pious or merciful acts, pag-pray sa Our Father, Hail Mary, O Glory Be, pag-pray for the intentions of the Holy Father, and also by proceeding to the communion and confession. And ang pinaka-importante sa tanan is by stripping ourselves from the old sinful self that we had. So, sa atong pag-agi, atong gi-acknowledge nga gi-convert na ta ni God from lurking in the verge of sins to being graceful and winning the favors of heaven again. So that would be all, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much. What's your name again?
Jessa.
Assign mo diri everyday?
Everyday, ma'am, is maglain-lain ni og koan kanang guide, yes. Mga volunteers man ni from Patronage of Mary Development School.
I see. Nice. Kano sa lang ni nag-open?
Open na ni, taod-taod na ni siya nga open.
I'm-
Ni siya, ma'am, kay katong pag tawag ni atong pag lantern season.
I see. Okay na dahil. So, diri ra gyud ang entrance then dito ang...
Yes, ma'am. Dito ang exit kay
Okay. Thank you.
enjoy sa inyong biyahe. Diyan sa
My spiritual aspects have been refreshed while learning about the Holy Door, and my Bulhuon trip wouldn't be complete without visiting this holy place. which is also considered as UNESCO World Heritage.